So at Laurel Springs, being able to take a bit more accelerated approach to my learning and be a bit more flexible because of my tennis schedule made it really helpful. So I was able to take AP Biology and AP Human Geography as a freshman, which I feel like was not something that would have been available to me before. And that's very important to me as I move into higher levels of academics. I've been at Laurel Springs full-time since 6th grade, but I did take a summer class from the summer between 5th grade and 6th grade. I never really found myself super challenged at all in brick-and-mortar school. It just tended to move a bit too slow for me, and I was really interested in taking more advanced classes than my classmates, which made things a lot harder. So at Laurel Springs, being able to take a bit more accelerated approach to my learning and be a bit more flexible because of my tennis schedule made it really helpful. Honestly, I think a big one for me is my AP exams and my AP classes. So I was able to take AP Biology and AP Human Geography as a freshman, which I feel like was not something that would have been available to me before. And that's very important to me as I move into higher levels of academics. I think it's because it's so specialized. Everyone gets something different, so some people move a lot faster than others, and some people might slow down and take like a full 10 months to complete their classes. And you're able to take all these amazing APs, dual enrollments, which can really help push people to work themselves farther and maybe a little bit harder. And this can really help support people planning to go into higher level fields, engineering, medical, literally anything. I love how I'm able to work my training and tournaments around my academic schedule. This allows me to take all these really hard classes, but still move forward with my sport, which is very important to me. And I really think a big thing is being able to travel on like Thursdays and Fridays, which in a brick and mortar school or in person I wouldn't be able to do because I would need to attend my classes.
Laurel Springs, they let me pick which classes I want to take. That's really been helpful for me, and I absolutely love that because I really love to learn and I really like to push myself. Doing other things outside of school, it doesn't limit what I am doing in school because Laurel Springs helps me put the two together. You know, in traditional school, they really limit to how many classes you can take and what classes you can take, especially how difficult they may be. But Laurel Springs, they let me pick which classes I want to take, and that's really been helpful for me, and I absolutely love that because I really love to learn and I really like to push myself. So yeah, when I'm doing other things outside of school, it doesn't limit what I am doing in school because Laurel Springs helps me put the two together.
For example, a really good example is that she didn't know she loves languages so much, but when she was in Laurel Springs, she was meeting more people, she was getting more opportunities to travel abroad. Other opportunities outside of Laurel Springs were opened up to her where she was able to audition for international programs, so she met some more students from other international programs. So she was already taking Latin, she added on French, whereas in other traditional schools, you're not really allowed to do that. You can't do that, they cap you. But here, they're like, okay, yeah, do it. So she's taking 2 languages at the same time, and she loves it.
The school gives you endless opportunities, endless classes to take. I was lucky, my last private school did have the accommodations counselor, college, they had all of that. It's a lot of self-navigation. When you're in a brick and mortar school that doesn't have it, you have to, either you learn it from the seniors while you're a freshman, or you learn it because your parents know what they're doing. I switched to the private school and the classes got a lot harder. And I needed to study, but I didn't have the skills to. The first couple months of Laurel Springs, I definitely did do a little bit of procrastinating, but I got better, I got on it. I started using my calendar a lot more, organizing everything. I was able to really organize myself in a way that it honestly felt wrong to procrastinate. It didn't feel like I was giving myself a way out and just being able to pull it back. It just felt like I was just messing it all up for me.
To understand the implications of the technologies and how to help our learners to engage, are working on having a vision for how we as an institution, a faculty body, want to engage our students. We're going to start engaging our students and learning about their perspectives. My job is behind the scenes of all of that, making sure that the right experts are doing the right thing at the right time. They are what's important. I'm just a conductor helping them to play the music in tune in time.
Laurel Springs just kept coming up #1 for everything that we would think, every consideration. We kept coming back to Laurel Springs.